Bacha some aniti and Agyapong would piano. Ube here, sell Ubetra a home infony at the Atoho. Opage make or ye a pabene, the band live streaming, video coverage, and now sell pictures on one. And you'll be PR City Event Masters. And internet say ye a year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kikan where you media fashibia. To chum, oh my true for so 0594 603 869. Show me track quiet. I will abeka La Paz. A free pipe quantum poniswa. A ya papa dear, and no one City Event Masters. Bacha some aniti and Agyapong would piano. Ube here, sell Ubetra a home infony at the Atoho. Opage make or ye a pabene, the band live streaming, video coverage, and now sell pictures on one. And you'll be PR City Event Masters. And internet say ye a year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kikan where you media fashibia. To chum, oh my true for so 0594 603 869. Show me track quiet. I will abeka La Paz. A free pipe quantum poniswa. A ya papa dear, and no one City Event Masters.
Abashonko and I dema adofo nyina eba Afric Media a platform ni eso. And then so I yatna sinti na chese semwa etwegu na yahhehya. Yes, ani mu egu ho ediamo bibiara. Me sure say nani de kan abeka yin. So like video and subscribe. For comments for comment section hono na yen fan komo no enhhehye so. Ayade ayero Kennedy akomprakon Agyapong eden simbia tututu dwa. Odre ma enya ade a ono so be ye mate. Se na yera ba omia amaga na fati ase se wo ye mate aniti e na wo nya kwan etimi efane ma engu akwan mu hie no eyade a ono so etimi enye saade ni bi odofo asemi ayetwema mentwen e wo court dem e na afi so wo ma kasa mu hie mu na eyade a nsem bi so afa eyera ba omia ho a epia montia nyame ni pa bia wa bakase eniema enan e na ye nua no mozramifo no ekura mu twitwire na treso mo hwere o ma hwere de ye pa na treso bobo bodi na de toso nan no and obia said the vice president of the Republic of Ghana yera Dr. Muhammad Baumia yeti osofo nenu nsem abra na okasa e wo ntumi station ye mercy
ade toso for Muslims e wo Ghana ye sebi esombo ye dia e Baumia
Dr. Baumia.
Yes, I tell you. Na obi timi gina ho se Baumia come speech wabo. Or the fin ka Islam. Islam so eti what the first thing pa ne se bi obefa obi yire. Second thing oberi preko. Third thing what in sambe tagi wo mu. En obi atimi aka se bi Baumia e koye yi no wabo. Politics inti obi gu sumo anim ase aladi mua mote ho ye gu Bible anim ase ye gu Quran anim ase politics inti Bible ye gu anim ase ye gu hemfu anim ase ohene ba ye gu Quran so anim ase mote ho fine azumi wona na nya adwene ohene ba me de me tan asem mentan ni po wona na nya adwene
absolutely
asem na America no ohene ba America nyame adwene kire wo mu ommo animra wo mu so ohene ba mesi wuyi Quran efiri honuma so Quran is greater than what Okomsheni Muhammad and Okomsheni Muhammad is greater than what Sheikh Osman Shaributu. Sheikh Osman Shaributu is greater than what Baumia and Baumia wuyi Shaributu Sheikh Osman ulma nyame we ni free honma sebi Baumia na oho na obi atimi nyina enkugo ma nobody obi oyesofu bi obeka se MPP be lusu bia no hene ba na onim form na ebe yankrofo ne se rapture na me ka asem bi ohene ba me wie no me nuamu Muslims for ohene ba uyi Quran e free ho na uyi Okomsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam o kan surah chapter 18 mu hono kwa ohene ba na uyi sabi ohene ba uyi Okomsheni Muhammad free ho na Ghana ha uyi sabi I see uyi Sheikh Usman Shaributu free ho ade asombo omukuta eye dia ohene ba ye de ade uyi Quran free ho holy Quran kron kama English one oba fie me hu se okan ya kan na uyi okomisheni Muhammad free ho second what you say na uyi Sheikh Osman Shaributu free ho Ghana ade etoso for Muslims e Ghana eye sebi esombo ye dia Baumia
Dr. Baumia.
Yes, I tell you. Na obi timi gina ho se Baumia come speech wabo. Or the fin ka Islam. Islam sweati what the first thing pa ne se sebi obefa obi yire. Second thing obeyi preko. Third thing what in sambe tagi wo mu. En obi atimi aka se sebi Baumia ekoye yi no na wabo. Politics inti obi gu usmu anim ase aladi mote ho ye gu Bible anim ase ye gu Quran anim ase politics inti Bible ye gu anim ase ye gu hemfu anim ase ohene ba ye gu Quran so anim ase mote ho fine azumi wonne ne nya adwene ohene ba me de me tan asem mentan ni po wonne ne nya adwene
absolutely
asem na America no ohene ba America nyame adwene tire wo mu ommo animra omo so ohene ba mesi wuyi Quran free ho no ma so Quran is greater than what okomisheni Muhammad and okomisheni Muhammad is greater than what Sheikh Osman Shaributu is greater than what Baumia and Baumia wuyi Shaributu Sheikh Osman ulma nyame we ni free hon ma se bi Baumia na ho na obi atimi nyina enkugo ma nobody obi o yesofu bi obeka se MPP be lusu bia no hene ba na onim form na ebe ye nkrofo ne se rapture na
odofo na chese enkomotwetwe a wo hwe ye enkomo bia ekoso ewo wuntumi TV anase wuntumi radio eso a free nyame ni paba kwa yan kasa di asam no aye bebere wo obi si jo mama obi si Baumia wan pa na konya ne dia nyame ni pa wote ni anya obi asa ye prophet Paul kusi apia ono ene de sansemi atututu enja na obi be bisa se aso obi a wo ye prophet Paul kusidie sanka we Kristo ni o na ade na okasa ede ama muslimifo ana ye nyina ye Ghana fo ntimi ame etimi yi bibia de kire obi a emom yatena se fa wadwen kire fa asem ne ho ebra comment section honom like video no subscribe and any day di kan sa be kan sabo adama no sisa na make house city event masters and also yasne edi Agyapong ebra o baby bia o hwe yin obi a no and into no say ye your wedding parties engagement ade bia ye hwemu ade ho bia no Bomodi na to your chomo ewo 0594603869 na bibia enko boko aha too much yet aha Afric Media Mr. Bruce video mu hanom ewo me chen ya me ne be twetwe nkomo how do you jebra me chen Mr. Bruce ababa yeah also we are kan woni ne ya adwen
me chia obi ohwen ewo me bia me de me ye nipa but no enyame nipa nti ohun sunsun wo de ohun bi nya bibia na me hu you say the way you see no ejina your spirituality level so ye mu bi na afi na ye fe aye bank kan ye say nyame be ya adom na sebe o de ejina baby papa but we there or you be our friend of prophets which means obey nyame and na e bia wa hu nchiro wo mu but you see before we go there, what can't say be I say it to me digested. Okay. Or say media me can't send it see. Ghanaians for the facts. Yeah, can't say ma na personal. Oh, ni pay asama can ye nyo. I can't say no. Ba ko kasa o ba kana ne pa ba kwa chia. You are getting personal. And I said in sana na chia. You are getting personal. Okay. Yeah, can't say go straight to the facts or the matter. Say it as it is. Who you are, Obi can who say you are not being personal. I know sir, Obi means you, but Okona attack the personality of the person. Then that is where you have a problem. And to the panic Sa asem no na ihu ye. But ye digress kakra. You see, you're about me a no cresa or ye Muslim. Very good Muslim as that.
Okay.
Now you say Zongo for do they even accept him? Reality.
Okay.
You see, before me when I'm for the Zongo. Before Zongo ni be accept no, now it means that you are thinking like him. They can identify with you. Makes me on authority say see how go Zongo. Confirm come identify pa ye yera Ken Agyapong. Ken. Yes. On your pepeni. But the way I on your tinima boys no, I'm they identify with him more. And idea back one me per se yeah. Tribal politics or religious politics. No. Or yes, remunity in a year dear. Me betu aba can be betu masum. I don't care who you are. If you are Muslim, if you are Buddhist, whatever, I don't care. Can you deliver Ghana from the woes that we are in? That should be what topic for discussion. Okay. It's almost person or a pepeni or a Christian one we feel. Because so we a Christian I want to be Muhammad here. Me for pepeni and go me Muhammad. Okay. It's can the person do the job? What is the person visionary? You can't so be called visionary. What is vision? Obi o vision ye obi o nimdie a onso se obema nimdie na bem. Enti ode yera ba me ne Muhammad siwa. Wanya na ye to aba ne mana obetimi ya make that radical change that Ghana needs. Number 2, who a leader, you need to be what we call compassionate. Okay. Say nipa hu yo mobo. So among the two no, when you na Ghana for who be ye ne bobo a obe say there be let me work for the nation. The third one is passion for the nation. Some me do Ghana enti me ko wia Ghana sika na me fa ko she baabi. Some me do Ghana enti ma fa to me who say say me ma Ghana yet say America. A passion. Me did that so only say me mambu no was na o me wie school no manya o me wie school no manya juma. That is passion. The last one, which is critical and very, very serious. Are you the president?
Obviously.
Thank you. Your kingmakers. Oba your friend said NDC the Ahoys. Only the kingmakers. The last time no I was checking something and it was very interesting. Ahoy them and normally you must buy a bread. Yera Jerry John Rollins. Yes.
Uncle Fanway.
Uncle Fanwo Legon, no de bread. Ahoy Fuya, Uncle Fa Yera John Mahama, and the bread at Tamils.
Okay.
Almost Uncle Fa Yamami J Mesa. Okay, yeah, for the past way years, no, NDC has been going central, north. Yeah. Ahoy for no Mesa. Over MPP Moa. Yera penny a wedi o man suda yera kufo ntimi yini fi current president yera kufo ado umpo or a kingmaker. Okay. So these are the kingmakers. Now
some we here for
o say
NDC ya ho no MPP for ni
say na mabo akufo ado din na mabo yera kufo
so me dey here for
o be kingmaker ka kingmakers a answer na president mbeba ni ye won sawo. What I said? It's the president now oba so no be so no. And sana won na air controlling na o mind en so. Okay. So what I said?
So someone we who
thank you to be say who can be on one man? And nothing na yera Kennedy Agyapong na onya pardon. Because oma obi air controlling no. But the kingmakers no so no they make sure say they put what belongs to them on it so that to favor them.
Okay.
Yeah, what I said. Is he going to be the president?
Or not?
Or not? Because so when you obi or mayor on the own president. Issue be now policies be a ban obi na pushy. And Muslim the kingmakers no, they push those things to their own interest, not to the nation's interest. Okay. And you must say your whole public says now papa again now or mayor obi. What be time yeah a robot. That's a fact. And these are qualities that I see a share about whoever is going to be the president. As for him being a Muslim or Northerner or whoever, it's a non-starter. And Ghanaians should think beyond certain things. Yeah, beyond now, we will always be stuck at one place. Okay.
So you being your friend is saying held high in a particular place, no? Does it show say over to me about your leader? And I say how they are holding you in high esteem, then a guarantee say you be the president.
No, first of all, you need to do their bidding. And so we are your momo pay. And yet the interest of the country. So what I say, ABA, many do us many you can't say my vision, I can't say. Many swadium any say. But over and nipa no no yeki make an ABA financier na bibino masa could say America Republicans back per war beba. Do you know why? Because Republicans go from financier no, they manufacture arms. A 20 year manity say America Republican bass so pay as a war back. So that they will get money. So as I said, and nothing that American history now, those times no Republican back pay no marco. Yeah, quite able to be quite creative. You see, politics and politics. Only your woman, you are lost. I don't think America said, and what you know, yet near more soon. Yes, I'm waiting me. Because the thing that they are doing, they know what they are doing, and for a purpose. Okay.
It's Kennedy Agyapong, but taking the right decision, say already on Bambe vice president, and now say and was so now vision no queen.
Say I know that my car basic baby no. Yera Kennedy, or you'll be or your own man. Oka sama or pan offer. Sana here woman now.
Obi or then of
course.
And yes, all farm running yet.
And yes, all farm running yet. You see, so when you be a obi na eka some channel man, yes or ya. Or mining coso. So, but when you be a on one short minor, no, because no, this is the direction I want the country to go. So I say, now or the near match to aquarium, yet I make us here obino, obi or yet independence. Obi to me for phone and friendly kindness of massa, baby up on the sign. What I say? Because the kingmakers no decision be will be taken, it should be in their interest. Any of interest more, it won't happen.
Na say the odo who are you be a unti futu. International say, oh yeah, the bonnet crow being to make our say. And yes, sir. Say, who should be so as na ye your say, robot, I can hear. You have to be your own man. You see, so when you're your own man, say mistakes, but you accept it as it is. You're about me. It's over child shark or Pema and son or Wakas.
No, you're about me, and you're Kenya actually say he was not in charge.
Okay.
You're Kenya actually say he was not in charge. Now, in Kwafosu Bisa said, at this time you are not in charge. Now, the president here, will you be in charge? No, but still there will be hands behind the scene directing you. So what I say?
A crime pencil.
No, say who baby I will come. You need direction. It's your man not fret. Me fa. And I should them out.
Say I don't know. Your vice president now 2 million unanimous and then you be free visa say me fa.
Sometimes one MPP ni NDC. So when you call mandate, you're at Tamils on the same problem. And nothing na kunadu etimi call what competing no. Because like go for kwa feel say you rat must on your true NDC.
Okay. The near no.
And then the year you will be a the NDC a kind of fruma. You will be a the MPP a kind of fruma. Oh yeah then on go carpet.
Into no not the party no sen go join.
Say no or a CPPO. What I say and he was a lecturer, not a politician. And you are go find by. And people think Say who's a time cry now, your friend say, the journalist, a pajamas, and this is because the Guzitandos no more, nobody said, a new time, yeah, they are in line. None part no for said Rollins would take up was Gusitando because he was a cadet, or yeah, those commando, those way. So now people talk say, yeah, the ideologies of what NDC. By young fananity on breaking away, no.
Into almost jumpy. And as I'm going to Tamu Kutrank,
David, you see, leaders, they look out for two things. Who will be loyal to me and who will protect me?
Okay.
It's and yet normally to say you're a Chamate, I said, do me so. Oh, what? Everyone do so. By himself, won't you become expose me. It's before back. Okay. And this one, I know I am be a you're a for official for the fact not only for not get too cool. Oh, now there were issues.
Okay.
So I said there were issues.
The same emotions and a woman, and yes, and
I make us a politicians and they are human beings. It's here I like to few of you said, was here do so because he called 208 way no Mijamuma and for this one call. And no catch him say, but I know your speech, and we are Cassandra Macassacho. Yeah, do river never because Miss Pacho, Miss Nonco, me fan.
And then is
and yes, see, President Bia Baba is here, or Pobia, or best successor. And not in an America say, you're a John Mahama. Why the service to the NDC? Where did that? The best person I can this time as a common man standing NDC, Haruna Idrisu.
Okay.
He's young, he's vibrant, he can, and Oyobia people trust him, say he can take bold decisions.
And John Mahama want to mean take his
and yes, I'm American. John Mahama, what did be that? Osama, you have only one term. Unless you activate a clause in the constitution, some clause requires obedient court, Supreme Court. Now, multiple interpreting. As soon as John Mahama becomes the president, because he can what exploit it. Term now a kind and specify say a year 8-year term and a 2-year term. It's sounding a vague.
Say you know say a 4-year term.
There be and yes, I also 2 terms. Constitution look at 2 terms.
That is 8 years.
No. 2 terms no one specified. I say who back now what's also 1 term. Now you can come again. Doesn't mean say me me back again. Can I come for the 2 terms? Constitution no unspecified.
Unspecified. Okay.
It is a gap on the hole. Obibano is smarter. He can what? Exploit.
Okay.
Now the other person say, you see, you'll be afraid forward-thinking policy. NDC. Uyuma say nipa na nim aye gidi pa John Mahama. Beyond John Mahama, Haruna Idrisu. And recently Okujato Abraka, because of Nyama all year, and I said people see himself very popular. And I know he has an eye for either the vice presidency or the presidency. 80 right from when John Mahama lose 2016. 2020 days ready. Nessa ankode Haruna Idrisu Eko.
No train kakra.
Okoye no olusu pa. And this time Osoma a 8-year period. For more.
And Tinaka also no back for vice presidency instead of
and your vice presidency no cry where dia we. Kono bi somra.
Okay.
Simple.
Anyway, and before you call your next topic for discussion no so idea. According to say the ye microphone a bit more able for ye pass adinti. And a bit more honor wasn't competent say NPP for the NDC for enya when you went here. Omana go page name. Namakase oh. And here ye air butcher tobo. Omanya so e de mo afore eye amanyoko ho ensem no. And it's dey apoten pa why no ye neutral e wo eye parliament house and that's one be neutral. Na obeka nsem ni bi. Na nipa ba ko ane de no eye ne ya ye pa ma me ba ko bi eye hwan a. Mo ma ye ti audio na ye nto ye komone so.
Prof internet say din no ache ye ne bi anywhere ye onwanwa Samuel Jan Joyce ayi mu nyinaa wo mpanimfo a ebe boa campaign no emunyo
maybe your friend say politicians dey omopedom enti no edin bi wo ha oboa na the idea na say bia ebetumi atwedom Friday abel enti no ni na a political strategy ko fa some other say on that yes sports no na so far I know you're a practical man no but meaning said the theoretical never be a factor of sports and say but the point is that okofa sa ni pana na o per se your friend is saying on us betumi action nipa ebebre e what sa sector no aben ebia wa mayoku anasa wa campaign no ni ana no kakra ne nyanka ho asem ewo macho mu de ma do bi se me America Joyce Joyce de onim say for so many years now no wabeye an eminent stateswoman. You see, for democracy to thrive no not everybody must do partisan politics. For democracy to strive and for democracy to be consolidated, no, and no be necessary odom okoye amanyosem. You won't conform or omo beye eminent statesmen, eminent stateswomen. Omo nya amanyosem. Se eyese amanyoku fuono kontokwa ananse basabasa ye anamente me ho ase ebe mu a sankofo ya the form eminent Ghanaians omo no mo sorry na omo ne afa eni afa ekasa ema yi etoyi se ye nyina ye koye amanyosem na we kodina na we kodina bia se echena ntawantawa eba ye ntemu a yeni obi a obeke bia mayen na ebema oman no ebebo nti uko Britain uko be a democracy akwadarea yonkofo bi o adia eminent people they don't do partisan politics and senior yamame Joyce ayi na major PNC secretary ofi won na se for afi we be so for penny o hwe dibia senior comfort no consult no Ghana no media na me hunu as an eminent stateswoman. Until I felt that the invitation to serve as an advisory serve on advisory body of a party's campaign, I thought to say she should have declined that invitation just to be able to continue to play her role as an eminent stateswoman. Senior Beya say assembly ba na ye hwehwe nkofo bi mo maka wombra tension aba amanyukuofo mienu anamiensa na say amanyukuofo mu a sankofo ese wokasa yediti na mo kodon amanyukuo baako se chemi ba na say asamba na say ye pese ye kan wontumi nkebi e de che say we take stance nti it is important. See, democracy between Ponwa and yet Obia and so ya manosum. Binumo wise would not fin. Me home so these are eminent people.
Prof Internet said Dino Ati and the be anywhere young one some giant Joyce Ai Munina wo pennyfo ebe boa campaign no emu.
Maybe your friend says politicians the omopedom and a dean be or oboa na the idea na say bia ebetumi atwedom Friday abel enti no ni na a political strategy ko fa some other say on that yes sports no na so far I know you're a practical man no but meaning said the theoretical never be a factor of sports and say but the point is that okofa sa ni pana na o per se your friend is saying on us betumi action nipa ebebre e what sa sector no aben ebia wa mayoku anasa wa campaign no ni ana no kakra ne nyanka ho asem e wo macho mu de ma do bi se me America Joyce de onim say for so many years now no wabeye an eminent stateswoman. You see, for democracy to thrive no not everybody must do partisan politics. For democracy to strive and for democracy to be consolidated, and no be necessary odom okoye amanyosem. You won't confuse you omo beye eminent statesmen, eminent stateswomen. Omo nyamanyosem. Se eyese amanyoku fuono kontokwa anase basa ye anamente me ho ase ebe mu a sankofo ya the form eminent Ghanaians omo no sorry na omo ne afa eni afa ekasa ema yi eto yi se ye nyina ye koye amanyosem na we kugina na we kugina bia se echina ntawantawa eba ye ntemu a yeni obi a obeke bia mayen na ebema oman no ebebo nti woko Britain woko be a democracy akwadarea your bi o abia eminent people they don't do partisan politics and senior your mame Joyce Ayi na maybe your PNC secretary ofi won na se for afi we be so for penny wo hwe dibia senior o comfort no consult no Ghana no media na me hunu as an eminent stateswoman. Until I felt that the invitation to serve as an advisory, serve on advisory body of a party's campaign, I thought to say she should have declined that invitation just to be able to continue to play her role as an eminent stateswoman. Senior Beya say assembly ba na ye hwehwe nkofo bi mo maka wombra tension aba amanyukuo fom mienu anamiensa na se amanyukuo fom a sankofo ese wokasa yebeti na mo kodon wodon kodon amanyukuo baako se cheri bana se asamba na se ye pese ye kan wontumi nkebi ele che we take stance nti it is important see democracy betum ponwa enye obia na so ya amanyosom binumo why so gina finfin me home so these are eminent people.
Prof internet say din no ache ye ne bia ni ho ye onwanwa samoagyan Joyce Ayi mu nyina wo mpanimfo a ebe boa campaign no emunyo
ne bia yi your friend say politicians dey omopedom enti no edin bi wo ha oboa na the idea na say bia ebetumi atwedom Friday abel enti no ni na political strategy ko fa samoagyan say on that yes sports no na so far I know you're a practical man. No, but meaning said the theoretical. Never be a factor of sports and say be yeah. But the point is that okofasa ni pana na o per se. Your friend is saying on those bit to me action nipa ebibre and what sector no abeng ebia wa mayoku and answer wa campaign. Ni ana no kakra me nyanka ho asem ewo mature mu de ma do bi se me America Joyce Ayi Joyce Ayi de onim say for so many years now no wa be an eminent stateswoman. You see, for democracy to thrive no not everybody must do partisan politics. For democracy to strive and for democracy to be consolidated and no be necessary odom okoye amanyosem. You won't confuse you or omo beye eminent statesmen, eminent stateswomen. Omo nyamanyosem. Se eyese amanyoku fuono kontokwa anase basa ye anamente me ho ase ebe mu a sankofo ya the form eminent Ghanaians omo no sorry na omo ne afa eni afa ekasa ema yi eto yi se ye nyina ye koye amanyosem na we kugina na we kugina bia se echina ntawantawa eba ye ntemu a yeni obi a obeke bia mayen na ebema oman no ebebo nti woko Britain woko be a democracy akwadarea your nkofo or abia eminent people they don't do partisan politics and senior your mame Joyce Ayi na maybe your PNC secretary ofi won na se for afi we be so for penny wo hwe dibia senior o comfort no consult no Ghana no media na me hunu as an eminent stateswoman until I felt that the invitation to serve as an advisory or serve on advisory body of a party's campaign,
Nipa would say in the NUP as a political science lecturer or University of Ghana, Michelegon. I friend said Professor Ransford Jampo. Ono eno di science semi atuja se once yes Reverend Dr. Joyce Ivy. Ono so ede no ho akokodom NPP amaniko no. Na ye hwemu here na kire se ondom se ordom keke. Memu wabedom se oka campaign advisory committee. Enyo ono ko awono and after so the former president I friends John Agyapong president Nana Adanko Akufo-Addo ene ono akasa ye maame ena akwakoka equire from some advisory team no ne how na bebre se nyina ne se aso obi anka wo betu ye fo na NPP ni NDC fo ye bibia wo beka bia mo omo no ena wakasa mu susu ya fa as an advisory committee member idie na just wo besi den aka amaneko no abo Mr. Bruce
I think it makes sense, but is that right? Maybe where I can decide to be a politician or not, if I want to. But your partner say, I did go on my own baby, especially celebrities. Who need to for party and support him? It can be NDC, NPP, no support him. As soon as you move here, first of all, you lose the loyalty of the other party. Now, if you feel say, hey, it's just a privilege, by or even your hard work, people even think, oh, those things were all party stuff. And not all can be metias here. But let's look at also this way. Are we saying, say, because of politics, Ninti, some will be media supporting me, my so I just said, because every one man, I need also to what? Bring out my quota to the development of the nation.
Yeah.
And now, who come in Sansua? A better Misswama. I started the near maybe. You see, politics is a dirty game. What politics does is that it means to your past. Never for baby a name, a crummy a rule near baby a name near the China. It's in Serbia, God died, yes, because if he has no beer on answer. Na ye ba be yi na fe de kofo wus na nsem we nyina kra na ho wa hwe ye no bia cassette ya wa sa lipa no na initially no na you are the role model enti ulusu sa aspect na BBC a so betimi kra ni to bia kasa is another na maneka.
Okay, na me so me say no ka say as ni amini pade anke ni kwa sen ka don follow sa na mai na anka ye pe bibia na wona se ene ebeko aso eyafun so se nyame ni pade ne ho ebedom eye NPP ni NDC
enye nyame ni pa ho a ye wo enkophobia from opinion leaders mantem bia no wo nipa bia asamba no betena mu pe na asem na adwodo so ati ase me wo de mame nko na national otumfo by one person we declare stand say am for Ghana. Obi obeba bia no ese me jo ya papa the national imam onu sa role no play bisa hu say why are they playing sa roles no o man bia woni sa nkofo no wo so man no o man na bo
okay
because edu empempen su bia o hia sa lipa no ne afane afa kasa ama yie ato yie na afana ne ba ko kasa no o mu se wo the other side o so kasa kra o view enti elutina ye constitution in the spirit of we no ye say ya hemfo no omo ye people with authority and power enti emfa wo enko for politics mu na obi ameka se entia wo na anka kunwa no enya sesem ba na say ahemfo bi de omo ahye active politics mu enye se wo so awro na ntuma so wo ye ohene ba no na oye politics so atiase enti the role of Saniaman constitution enim say ebedu pribinu asebi o hasieka wanya ne beka so bia di ba ko achi a who go and say near somoka.
Okay, yeah, share this analysis. You be fan crofon na ye omo no ba ko mako. First of all, you be share National Council of Elders no. Nearly kind Freddy was Mauble. Okay,
the past chairman.
Yes.
Yeah.
There no betimi as an impact to see the current rule?
Okay, sir, Freddie Blair, one of the friend Fox, old Fox in politics, very cunning, very tricky. Because on that time na MPP, a more chair division, now chairman, I forgot ye if you want. Yeah, then by no to me a winning power. When everything was against them, he won power. Or you'll be the politics no office PPO, but by MPP by a chairman.
Hey,
Emma, you have to go talk to him. Emma, ultimately, man, name for phone respect. Even the MPP had copy way from people. To have one man, he has a respect and he has an experience in taking what election.
What about Madam Elizabeth Ohene?
Oh, I know Agyapong, Madam former education minister. You see, they all bring experience. I don't know have the calmness and all that. And they are also expertise. You see, for elections, you need people from diverse environments to make sure say plan now what the bebano BBA or education what transfer for a long time. On educational policies Ebia a bit going for that. Okay, I'm talking for Asu. John also know she brings some wealth of experience.
Yeah, share your next person now, chief of staff, Akosia Frima Osei.
Thank you. One of the respected women in Ghana.
Okay.
The only female, your friend is simple and calm. Say Jubilee House, our corners of our president or no, but respected. Or you'll be a friend of mine. Who here, Sally Pano, Emma, a Jumana Yababe in the center, whatever grab obey me a friend, no a friend, no a call Mabu. So I say, it's also there. Very, very good.
Okay, yeah, share Nipa Bako, so a young for Bimoma, a Bimus with a young woman, and you, Piazza, the former Black Star captain, Asamoah Jan, or no, so a member of NPP manifesto team. Also come on back to manifesto any back hangs of yeah, kind of thing.
It's a say you're Asamoah Jan, so yeah, MPP, and yeah, Martin Dada. Metipo say you wanted to stand for say Debbie member of parliament, MPP, but say Oriel who said the time is not right. He has always been a member of the MPP. There's enough football wise need to know now on yet that time, but you see, and right. And right, and you'll be all right. But maybe he's too young and he has a lot of things. What coaching course? And come himself come with Fedana, what's that coaching now? Politics here, I don't think it's cut for him. There be a German on my question there.
That's the thing, sir, with his influence, no, it makes me action some youth into that campaign arena. A bit member NPP about more of youth, bit me the energy be a room, send a Ghana bit me as a son.
Oh, definitely. As someone in Ghana, or the highest goal scorer ever in Ghana and all that. He holds Nyama Bebreti, but miss no urban or the baby ba. And or the bastard, the youth, will get along. You see, Adeba Kwa, Yera, Baumia, and Lake, and even the Zongos. It's not me expect to say, team not the body, there'll be somebody or bet me out whipping the interest of the Zongos.
Is that no coffee? You're a Kennedy was one.
There be Kennedy one castle or vice, one president near 2028 president or vice side. But next, Uncle Nya Obia, Zongo for respecting now or betting me Casa at your mom. There are a lot of guys, former Zongo minister, say he's well known. Or you'll be people respect him in the zone because on your mom and the 80s are so and me who be what wins, and that's my worry. What the youth in the bar, you need the Zongos to make sure say you win the election.
Okay, say the youth be a youth.
There are youth be a youth.
So your no Zongo youth.
It's like one youth and then Zongo youth two different things. Even their thinking is different. You need people when it comes say you know how my party they will stand. Like 2000 election, the people who stand for NPP. That's what you need. Not that about for the account. Who you do the hardcore? He can talk to the people, bring them out to come and vote. Yes, sir. But up to now, the Zongos are not seeing him as their own.
How?
Yes, he needs to make them see, sir, he's their own.
But sir, recently, Tamale.
Forget about it, no. You see, getting the people to know, sir, you are my own, and coming to build something is two different things. So, you are my own means, sir, you feel my pain, you feel my joy. As I the strategy, no. As I Kabadisa, Cardinal Zongo, now you see, one, Nana Fuad, not president 2016, no, Namzongo, so. No, it was having yes, or must be once a day. What I said, you need to identify with the people. Oh, but we are almost a technocrat or a fine man. But you need to go down and make sure that the people feel say you are their own. And yes, I forget it.
That's how we going down in the nation at the end of the day. No matter so you in the end, you're going down.
I said, political strategy. And yes, sir, or part also, or no, your bill, or no, your bill. Aha, and who now beg this or no, your bed and your wall line. But political strategy. And to member down, no minimum Cassandra me bad, chose I be hot to me deep in your manema. Oh, you feel some part of you.
Okay.
And that makes the people like he's part of us. That's Ghana politics for you. And not all like it. So the campaign team, no, they should bring somebody who is a true Zongo person. Go down to the Zongos, give them the message, let them understand in their own language, and then they will move with you. That's how their campaign to Elizabeth.
They are hot okay. Anyway, it's Afric Media because City Event Masters now so yes need media bro. We are she party. Oh yeah, wedding, engagement, Christine, anniversaries. There are now friendship maybe a year now. So cheer on 0594603869. Mujuma Ewala pass or from one. All better of our Kwamu na Bienia omit me I kama edit amount. Because so comments no stream Hanuman come my nefa. Yama el coso a woman no corner more ensign sema. Akashi na who don't in idea what you are to Ija. Now, Mr. Bruce, share with a critical analysis, you're looking on with the third eye. And Profona, Dr. Baumia, and select you on now. What impact are they leaving personally? And no bet me, I help you with the influence, bet me, the campaign.
Oh, Obiani traitor or deba. Obi on more or less like advisory role. Obi so on more actively involved in the politics. Tini in engine and nipa no, yeah, as someone say you'll be actively involved because for the youth, you know, and ABR celebrities now or more actually, they can bring them back. What I say, but actively, you know, for the youth. Obi to say, Blaze say, in the man side, you know. How do you govern? You say no, strategy nessa way. What I say? Until I make us Obi Samia I'm surprised. Because Obia Sabe Ghana. Say oh team Usura and this supposed to the power Samia. That guy, if he's in your team, you have won. Then now me call your friends and baby me call body. Now because Samia could ever a year about me the first when or campaign or so the man has won. He's a strategist. You can be strategy of taking people on and making sure say he wins election.
Every other one can be later.
Maybe I was actually, but I was actually so running because me catch up with you. Okay. Samia Uku team nimna. And this should be well. I'm telling you. Because only 2016 election and especially 2020 and yes Samia and LPP would have lost.
Okay.
Or you'll be meaning how he does it. But ultimate strategize about me first timer or winning hands down. Sadly pass a meaning what is the reason? But ABNA oversight, they should make him the face because he's the future president of Ghana.
Okay. And yes, I was saying well come for like bearership competition.
There be a building of time. You see, Pushiako, or say, or stand MP. Or do one MP who says, Sammy Webber stand there, have to move. No, move here. So Asamba, or can't go. Because Samuel, no, people don't know him, but he's one man that won't even stand and we know. Oh, what? Oh, what the magic way, or to me, winding up, Bibia. So I'm telling you, that guy. That guy, Monshano, I do bet to me a day. MPP, I call the next level. And it's all showing now, MPP, me, Nasa, Oben, Yeraba, Mia, Konakutukuna, Samuel. See, I know so pass one for Samuel, could him. Na bibia enko yonrura kona any idea here. And so be gentle how I from gentle and guessing. So now Sunny and Becca say, Mr. Bruce and this same chapter. Mr. Bruce, yeah, now if we work fine for Mochicheni and Chini now to be careful. Kennedy Agyapong, ni role now what taking Osha, a idea about one. Oh, you're a Kennedy, no, near your person, you're one a woody. Tenasana wrong because I did idea a phone call for my child. But let me tell you one thing. Politics a human job. And my politician be and can't just say dimension and cocoon. On our kind of the main we have only one Ghana. So my Ghana boy will be a better problem. Almost able to say NDC leader no coward or who order and Kokasa. Let's pray for peace. Now you're making sure say election day no utu we are kofi koda. No be win bia we win after all one Ghana no.
One Ghana scanana.
Anyway,
I imagine Afric Media and come be air cost social media and so a bit more air can send me at just a micro me when it's when nice and end. We better say a someone minimum as I man who many soup here. And since I guess and so I hear boo. I share video a catching you or can't listen.
History.
For such are false apostles, deceitful workers, transform themselves into the apostles of Christ. And no marvel, for Satan himself is transformed into an angel of light. How do we test whether these apostles are genuine or not? And believe me, they're not. John chapter 6, verse 63. Jesus said, "It is the spirit that quickeneth, the flesh profiteth nothing. The words that I speak unto you, they are spirit and they are life." We were told in the first book of John chapter 4 that we're supposed to believe not every spirit, but try these spirits whether they be of God. How do we know whether these false people are of God? We test them and hold them accountable by this book. Swords is not inside this book.
History. So there isn't much Ringo.
One night. Name of the Father. Say Michael.
These are the exact words a particular lady who happens to be a Nigerian also came out allegedly that these men of God, what they are holding, the sword that they were carrying, passing on from one person to each other, the inscription on it is Freemason. How she got to find out, and all these are all in her own bosom, which we still do not know how she went about these news and all. And so this is where we end today's news for discussion. Thank you so much for being with us. I have too much GH. I have Afric Media. Yakra.
Some Anity and Agyapong would piano. Ube here, sell Ube track a home infony at the Atoho. Opage Mekwa or ye a pabene, the band live streaming, video coverage, and now sell pictures on one. And you'll be PR City Event Masters. And internet say ye a year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kikan who you media fashibia. To chum, oh my home, true for you so 0594 603 869. Show me track quiet. I will abeka La Paz. A free pipe quantum pon soa. A papa dear, and no one City Event Masters. That's some Anity and Agyapong would piano. Ube here, sell Ube track a home infony at the Atoho. Opage Mekwa or ye a pabene, the band live streaming, video coverage, and now sell pictures on one. And you'll be PR City Event